A 2-story RV with a giant window. You have to see this RV. This is the Alliance benchmark. And follow me because it is so cool. So starting with this kitchen, you have a full-size kitchen. We have a residential fridge. Plenty of space for everything you need. All right, the stove, and then microwave.
Oven.
And yes, an oven. Ta-da! I am loving this window because the more, the better. Same with storage, the more, the better. And it goes all throughout. I mean, you can just hide all your snacks. And utensils go here, which is so convenient. Same with this guy. Just pull these drawers out for easy access. You don't have to be digging around. And then also just...
That's a lot of storage.
Storage for days, I'm telling you. And there's more storage underneath this sink. All right, you will notice there's lighting throughout this whole entire island, which makes it so beautiful.
And lighting at the top. Did you guys see that?
I know. So nice. It's like modern, sleek, and just minimalistic. Over here you have a 5-seater island. I mean, you could fit your whole entire family here. All right, moving on to the space here, the living space. There is an L-shaped couch, an ottoman that comes with storage here. Over here on this wall, you'll see more big, giant windows.
Do it. Show it. That's the coolest thing.
Yeah, with a click of a button, you guys can close these shades, as well as... Oh wait, wrong button.
Wrong button.
Pull up the televator.
Give it a second.
Anyway, you get the picture. Really cool. And if you want to just enjoy the view, if you have like mountains or a beach in the background, you can definitely put that down. More storage, a fireplace down below.
Look at that.
And then they made this more homey-like because now we have storage behind the couch.
Ooh.
And it goes deep all the way down to the floor. You can put like cute little plants here, make it super like cozy. Check out the staircase because it is sleek and modern and it just looks cool. It goes up to a loft area.
Let's see how big it is.
Come here, cameraman. Show him this room because it looks pretty cool. You have a TV, storage. I mean, it's really nice. Take a peek at that headboard because that looks super nice. Below it is the bathroom. I mean, look how cool this door is. I'm loving it.
It's a really cool door.
It is a really cool door.
Fancy.
All right. This unit actually has 2 full bathrooms. You'll see a shower, a toilet over here. Best part of all. A washer dryer. Very convenient. Storage. More storage. and more storage. Look at that. It's like an infomercial that just keeps on giving. And then your sink, your mirror.
All right.
And then door number 1. And door number 2 is the sliding door. Just come over here and I'm going to show you guys the coolest part of all. Now, this window is huge. It's like just a giant picture window. You have closet space on either side. More closet space. So you have your coat hanger. Oh,
who did that?
I just fixed it. I just put it back in place. And then more storage down here. All right, your sink, your mirror.
I mean, you could do your business and look outside.
If you have a good view, it's worth it. You just sit here, right? And enjoy the view. Like, this is so cool. Oh, also, I keep overlooking this spot, but this is definitely good to have for more things. You know, us women love things sometimes a little too much. Shower, of course, with a little bench.
Residential.
And just check this out. You have a little shelf for all your shampoos and bottles and things like that. All right, let's go on to the master bedroom. The master bedroom has a TV, cabinets on the sides, drawers, as well as a fireplace. This I love. Like, you're laying in bed and you have a little cozy vibe. King size bed. And just put your stuff there.
You got lights on the floor over there too.
Yep. I love this. I mean, they made it so cool.
Ooh, what's that over there?
Oh, I'm glad you asked. Because this actually are drawers. And there's 4 drawers that open up, as you could see.
Look at that. Smart. Use all the space.
Use all the space. And that just shares it underneath these stairs here that go up to the loft. Now, excuse me, the loft area. We have 2 beds here. We have a TV, tons and tons of storage space over here. Check out those cabinets. They go so deep. I mean, it's pretty impressive.
You got a cabinet over there.
Yep. And then I love this dividing wall here, because if you have 2 kids and they're sharing the space up here, it's just so nice to have this wall here. And
bed number 1, bed number 2.
Yeah, it's great. Okay.
And a little curtain.
Yep, a little curtain for privacy, so you can definitely, open that up or close it.
It's a great view from here, guys. Look at this. It's like a house.
This is definitely like a house. Very residential feel. Like, it doesn't feel like an RV at all. And honestly, this is one of the top favorites I've seen on the market. It just looks so simple and beautiful and well done. So I'm really impressed, Alliance. Good job. That's it for me. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys.